My name is Brian McLennan with MarineMax Stuart. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this 2024 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. This boat literally just rolled into the dealership yesterday. Everyone knows the Montauk line. This is where it all began for Boston Whaler, the most legendary and iconic model on the water today. This boat is very simple, but yet will accomplish a whole lot. So we'll do a quick walkthrough of the boat before we get on. You'll see very straightforward, this boat's packaged with the white hull sides, chrome graphics, Mercury engine, trailer is included with the package. So let's hop on board and just do a quick walkthrough. Starting here in the cockpit of the 17 Montauk, first thing I would like to point out that really stands out to me is the amount of space. They really did an amazing job on this model for a 17-foot boat, maximizing the usable space. Whether you're fishing, getting in and out of the water, plenty of room all the way around. You'll see for boarding, when you're at the sandbar, you do have a nice telescoping dive ladder to get in and out of the boat, which brings you right in to the cockpit. Here off the port and starboard side, we do have optional bucket seats or jump seats. So you do have backrests that pop into the rod holders, and then nice seats that will be supported there on that ledge. This boat's powered with the 115 Mercury. We do have the reversible pilot seat, really cool feature. Before I flip this around, I'll show you the live well, which can be used for storage, keeping live bait in there, drink cooler, whatever you prefer. But as you can see with this reversible seat, if you're towing someone on the skis, want to face back and entertain with those people behind you, you could face that way. But of course, if you're running the boat, you flip it around this way, you have a nice forward-facing seat, which brings you right up to your well-appointed helm station. So we have a nice Simrad digital display, Mercury tachometer, all of your labeled switching right here in front of you. So back to simplicity, this boat is super easy to operate and very easy to learn for a new boater. We do have a JL audio package on this boat. We have 4 speakers, 2 in the back, 2 up here on the side of the console. As we continue forward, the amount of space does continue. So we have a very spacious casting platform up in the front. We can put a bow cushion down here to maximize the amount of seating you have. Underneath me, we have a anchor locker, and then just behind that, we have a insulated fish box. Just in front of this console, we do have a nice forward-facing seat. We have an igloo cooler cushion on top with a supported backrest. So overall, a very well-appointed boat. Great for the beginner looking to get into boating, or even for the veteran boater. This does a little bit of everything for everyone. Again, Brian McLennan, MarineMax Stuart. Feel free to give us a call or come see us at MarineMax 772-287-4495.